Welcome to your channel, Storyteller. In this video, we show you the ruling on polygamy in Islam and the many benefits that may result from this decision. Today we will talk about the conditions of polygamy in Islam and the legal ruling that governs this issue. Polygamy requires adherence to several legal conditions according to what is stated in the Quran. And according to the Sunnah of the Prophet, let us reveal these conditions at specific points. 1. The specific number. Islam allows a man to marry between 2 and up to 4 women at the same time, and it is important that this number does not exceed 2. Financial ability. A man must be able to provide the necessary expenses for all of his wives. This reflects the care and responsibility required by Islamic law. 3. Justice between wives. A man must be fair between his wives in spending and living, and remain fair in his intercourse with them. Justice here means fair settlement between them. 4. Physical ability. A man must be physically able to have a sexual life and fully care for his wives. 5. Protection from preoccupation with the world. A man should avoid excessive preoccupation with worldly life and its affairs, and remain committed to his religious duties. 6. Lack of closeness. Sharia prohibits wives from being very close, such as paternal uncles, to avoid problems in family relationships. 7. Commitment to religion. A man must maintain a balance between the rights of his wives and his religious duties, and be committed to the teachings of Islam. The ruling on polygamy in Islam. In Islam, a man is allowed to have multiple wives, but under a basic condition, which is justice between wives. The Holy Quran stresses the necessity of justice in dealing with wives, and not giving apparent preference to one of them. Benefits of polygamy. Mercy for women. Polygamy opens the door to a man's mercy for a woman who may be in need of care and protection, whether she is a widow, divorced, or for other reasons. A solution to issues of infertility and illness. Polygamy enables the solution of issues of infertility or illness that prevent the wife from having children or practicing marital life. Strengthening social ties. Polygamy contributes to strengthening social ties between members of society and enhancing cooperation and solidarity. Social security for women. Polygamy is a social solution for women who lack care and support due to divorce or the death of the husband. Preventing moral crimes. Polygamy contributes to preventing moral crimes, and is considered an alternative to immorality and prostitution. Conditions for polygamy in Islam. Justice between wives. It emphasizes that the man should be fair in dealing with his wives and not give preference outwardly. Financial ability. A man must be able to provide for the needs of all his wives. Maintaining social ties. Polygamy must contribute to strengthening social ties and not causing divisions. Men's justifications for polygamy. Procreation. The possibility of procreation and the man's need to form a family are among the reasons for polygamy. Care and protection. A man may resort to polygamy to take care of women who lack care and support. Avoid the forbidden. A man may want to avoid the forbidden and enter into a legitimate marriage instead of an illicit relationship. Polygamy in Islam comes with conditions and controls that aim to achieve justice and mercy, and at the same time it provides a solution to many social problems. We hope that this video has clarified this aspect of Islamic legislation to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.